Very good morning. Are you all ready with the aptitude textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, which chapter we are going to do today? Any ideas? No idea. In the previous class, we have already done chapter 4 and chapter 5. So, today we are going to do chapter
6.
Thank you. Chapter number 6 we are going to start from today is about patterns, right? Patterns of numbers, right? In this chapter we have been given some figures. Inside each figure there are some numbers given to us. Now what we have to do to find out the answer? First we'll find out the connection between numbers inserted in the figure. कि फिगर के अंदर जो भी नंबर्स हैं उनके बीच क्या कनेक्शन है या कौन सा रूल अप्लाई हुआ है. एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिविजन, whatever maths rule has been applied, we need to find out and accordingly we'll able to find out the answers. Clear? Let's start from first one. In first one you can see 3 numbers given to you. One number is inside a colored square and 2 numbers are outside the square. 4, 7 and the number given in the square is 28. So what do you think, which rule has been applied? Between these 3 numbers, what do you think, which rule has been applied? Addition is done, subtraction is there, or multiplication is there? Mahi Diyal? Mahi?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think, which rule has been applied?
Page number.
Very good. Not aware about page number at all.
Page number 20. I know, ma'am.
Dishita Raja, can you tell which rule has been applied? Dishita?
Yes.
Then give answer quickly.
Ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am,
Very
page
good.
number
20.
Ma'am, which question?
The class has just been started, so obviously question number 1. Seriously? Alright students, no need to answer. I am giving answer only because none of you is interested.
21.
Let's quickly move to the next part.
21.
No, I don't want to know the answer from you. Rishita, mute yourself. It's done now. I was thinking about to involve you and solve question one by one. But since you all are not interested at all, just quickly finish this chapter, answering by myself only. Right? You're 4, 7 and 28 number is there. So rule of multiplication we can say is applied. 4 7s are 28, 5 6 are 30, 6 7s are 42. So here 7 3s are 21 will be the answer. Rule of multiplication has been applied. So 21 is the answer for first one. Let's see the second one. 7, 3 and 20. So here addition rule has been applied. 17 plus 3, 20. 15 plus 8, 21. 11 plus 8, 19. So 12 makes which number will add, so that answer will come as 30. The answer is 18. I don't think anyone will give answer. The correct answer for second one is 18. If 18 will help, so here we get 30 as the answer. Number 3, 13, 5, 8, 21, 6 and 15, 12, 4 and 8. Like this number has been given to us. And here we can see the rule of subtraction has been applied. 13 minus 5, 8. 21 minus 6, 15. 12 minus 4, 8. So again 17 may say one number we need to subtract so that we get answer as 10. So the number will be 7. Right? 17 में से हम 7 subtract करेंगे तो आंसर 10 आएगा. So in the empty box write down number 7. Number 4, 3 numbers outside the triangle and 1 number is given inside the pink triangle. Right? The first one you can see 2, 4, 3 and the number inside the triangle is 9. 3, 5, 6, number inside the triangle is 14. 7, 3, 2, answer is 12 written there. So how the answer came? Addition. Right? 2 plus 4 plus 3, 9 will be the answer. 3 plus 6 plus 5, 14 will be the answer. 7 plus 3 plus 2. You don't have your textbook, Arav Kundaria? You can see your own textbook and you can fill the answers. You no need to see my textbook for that purpose. I'm just explaining how the numbers are arranged. Rule of subtraction. There is no need to see my textbook for that purpose. 7 plus 3 plus 2, answer is 12. 3 plus 6 plus 5, answer is 14. So here 8 plus 4 plus 0 is equal to 12. 8 plus 4 plus 0 is 12. Now let's see number 5. Number 5 is 3 numbers outside the triangle and 1 number is the answer of all 3 numbers. But we need to find out the connection or which rule has been applied. Yes, very good, Khushi. It's the multiplication between the numbers. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 written in the triangle. Let me show you. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 22, 8 1 8, 8 3s are 80. We'll apply here. 5 zeros are 0, 0 7s are 0. So the answer will be 0 here. Question 1 to 5 is clear with everyone? Question 1 to 5 is clear? Any doubts?
No, ma'am. No doubt, ma'am. No doubt.
Okay, very good. Let's see number 6. In number 6, there are 4 numbers given in each of pattern or each figure, right? First one, 8, 16, 15 and 23. Like these 4 numbers. In second one, 4, 7, 9 and 12. So we just need to find out the connection between these 4 numbers. How will we do? It's little bit different from 1 number to 5 number. Okay, carefully. Here you can find out answer in both ways. Like this also. आप अप डाउन भी कर सकते हो और आप साइड टू साइड नंबर्स को भी मैच करके आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो कि कौन सा रूल और कितने नंबर्स अप्लाई हुए हैं और क्या रिलेशन है. About like this first 8 and 16. The relation between 8 and plus 8. And if you see the numbers up and down like this, 8 and 15 plus 7, applying numbers यहाँ ऐसी करेंगे numbers 2 plus 3, number 7, 9, 3, 12. And if you go 4 and 9, plus 7, 4 plus 5. What you want me to do then? आप में से किसी को रिप्लाई नहीं करना है, किसी को अच्छे से रिस्पॉन्स नहीं देना है. इफ आई एम टर्निंग ऑन माई कैमरा एंड एक्सप्लेनिंग यू अगेन यू आर कंप्लेनिंग. Just see the screen and I'll be explaining again. 14 plus 7. Sorry. 7. The difference between 14 and 7 and 20 and 13 is minus 7. And if you find out the difference between 40 and 20 and 7 and 13 will be plus 6. तो सेम थिंग हमें लास्ट बॉक्स में आंसर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए करनी है, राइट? जस्ट सी द बॉक्सेस एंड गिवन नंबर्स. Here only one box has been kept empty for us to fill, and that is the box beside number 15. So downside you can see 18 and 19. 18 and 19 के बीच में +1 का डिफरेंस है. तो 15 के बाजू में बॉक्स में आंसर फिल करने के लिए अगेन व्हाट वी नीड टू डू? +1, राइट? 18 और 19 में +1 का डिफरेंस है, तो 15 और बाजू के बॉक्स में आंसर करने के लिए विल जस्ट ऐड 1, तो आंसर विल बी 16. अगर आप 15 और 18 नंबर बॉक्स को देखते हो तो डिफरेंस इज +3. इफ यू वांट टू आंसर लाइक दैट ऑल्सो, अगेन 19 माइनस 3 करोगे तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 16. नंबर 6 समझ में आ रहा है बच्चा?
Yes.
It is little bit difficult. Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Everyone, please reply whether you have understood number 6 or not.
Yes, ma'am, it is understood.
Okay. तो हर एक नंबर जो भी स्क्वायर बॉक्स में दिया है बच्चा, आपको हर एक नंबर के बीच का कनेक्शन फाइंड आउट करना है एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल बी एबल टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन. ओके, लेट्स सी नंबर 7. In number 7, 2 numbers has been given to us. 222 and 6, 111 and 3, 185 and 5. Right? What beta?
I say the answer.
Don't say the answer. Answer anybody can see from the back side and give answer.
No, I
It
see
is
the
explanation.
pattern and then I give the answer.
7 number, beta.
The answer is, I say that I see the pattern and then I give answer.
Yes, beta. Yes. First, you need to observe the pattern and explain the pattern.
Freeman, there is
Correct answer. I don't. Yes.
Then 113. 185. So नीचे 5 और 259. So answer is 6.
No.
No, 7. Because 259. Then answer is
तो
7.
259 है तो आंसर 7 आएगा. वो कैसे पता चलेगा बेटा?
Ma'am, can I say?
I can't understand your explanation. Yes, Misty.
Yeah, ma'am, that will come multiplication and the answer will 777.
777.
Yes, ma'am.
No, Misty.
7. One single.
Sorry, ma'am, 3.
Single one because they are multiplied whole number.
3.
No, beta. Listen, first of all, we need to do the division with all other numbers. You need to divide 222 with 6. Answer will be 37. Again, if you will divide 3 and 111, again answer will come as 37. Division करके देखो सबका आंसर 37 ही आएगा. To bring the answer 37 again for the last box, we need to divide 259 with 7. That is how we'll get 37 as the answer, just like all other patterns. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Mama.
हर एक बॉक्स के बीच में आपको सारी चीजें अप्लाई करके ट्राई करनी होती है. ओके, फर्स्ट यू ट्राई दी एडिशन, देन इफ इट इज नॉट वर्किंग ट्राई सब्ट्रैक्शन, इवन इफ इट इज नॉट वर्किंग ट्राई मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन से भी आंसर ठीक से नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो ट्राई डिवीजन. अगर डिवीजन में कोई सिमिलैरिटी या सब्ट्रैक्शन के बीच में कोई सिमिलैरिटी आपको दिख रही है पैटर्न में, देन यू कैन फाइंड आउट द आंसर इजीली. Okay, try everything first and then come up with the answer. Now let's see number 8. In number 8, 3 numbers outside the square and 1 number is inside a small square. 39, 3 and 51, and 1 number is inside the box is 4. 71, 61, 5 and number 2. So can you say the relation between these 4 numbers? Can any one of you solve the puzzle?
Yes, ma'am. I knew now. This one.
Yes, let's see.
11 5s are 55. 55 plus 35 is equal to 90.
11 कहाँ से आया?
11 multiplied 5 is equal to 55. 55. 55
But
plus
how can
35.
you found number 11, beta? Finding out number 11 is itself a question. From where you find the answer?
I know.
And how? Yes?
Ma'am, we have to first minus the 90. We have to first minus 35 out of 90.
Okay.
Answer we get. We have to multiply which number with 5 to get answer we get.
Can't understand, Tia. Any other students? Anyone else can explain this pattern? Yes.
Ma'am, we have to first minus the 90. We have to first minus the 35 out of the 90. It means we get answer 55. So If we have to fill the
Okay.
90 blocks with the number which we can
We need to-
multiply with 5 to get the 55.
नहीं बच्चा, डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. 55 को 5 के साथ डिवाइड करोगे तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 11. The same rule has been applied every other patterns. 71 minus 61 is 10, right? And 10 divided by 5. So 2 number is given to us as the answer. Same thing happens with number 1. First box जो है बेटा, just look here properly. 6 minus 6 answer will be 4. Here again 71 minus 61 and divided by 5, number is 2. 55 minus 47 divided by 8, answer here is 1. Again apply the same rule. 90 minus 35 divided by 5, answer is 11. Understood better? 8 number?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Alright. If page number 20 is done, let's move to page number 21, puzzle time. Ready everyone to play the puzzle game?
Yes, ma'am. Ready.
Yes, ma'am, ready. Alright, let's. The first one, which of the following points can be connected to point O by a continuous path without crossing any line or curve in the given figure? You can try with your pencils.
Ma'am, answer
And you
is
can find out.
C.
Yes, point C doesn't crossing any line or curve to reach to point O. So point C is the correct answer. Quickly write down in the answer part. Dishita, you can mute yourself afterwards. Once you have given answer, just mute your microphone, Dishita. Very good. Okay, now number 2. Find a commonly used word that ends in T, means the last letter of the word is T, and contains the letters B, E, N. उसके बाद middle में B, E, N 3 letters आते हैं, and starting is with I, N, N. I, N starting है, T उसका N है और B, E, N बीच में आता है. तो which is that word?
Invent. Ma'am, invent.
Invent is the word. You just need to arrange the alphabet as per the question's demand, and we'll find out the answer. Arav, why you are shouting like this? The word is invent. Number 3 is what occurs once in June, twice in August, and never in October.
Ma'am,
What is that
alphabet
thing?
U. Alphabet
Letter
U.
U. Yes. Letter U comes once in the spelling of June, 2 times in the spelling of August, and never comes in the spelling of October. That is letter U. Number 4. Karan has 5 sons. Each son has 2 sisters. How many brothers and sisters are there in all? करण के 5 sons हैं और उन 5 sons की 2 sisters हैं. It doesn't mean कि हर एक son की 2 sisters हैं. There are total number of sisters is 2 only. So 2 sons means 2 brothers. 5 brothers and 2 sisters means 7 brothers and sisters in all. Each son has 2 sisters doesn't mean हर एक son की अलग अलग sisters हैं. Right? There are 2 sisters only. 5 plus 2, 7. Understood this thing? 4 number समझ में आया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now number 5. A cyclist takes 2 minutes and 12 seconds to go one round of a circular track. एक सर्कुलर ट्रैक का एक राउंड कंप्लीट करने के लिए एक साइकिलिस्ट को 2 minutes and 12 seconds लगते हैं. So how long he will take to go 60 rounds of the same track? 60 rounds लगाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा? Give answer without multiplying. 2 minutes equal to 60 seconds.
24.
What 24? What 24 beta?
Answer.
Need to find out the exact beta.
Okay.
The answer is 2 hours and 12 minutes. समझ में आया बच्चा? 60 राउंड लगाने हैं तो 60 is the base of each and every time invested. 60 को हम बेस में लेते हैं कि नहीं?
Yes. मुझे
निशिता म्यूजियस है बच्चा, तो एक्सप्लेन करने दोगे तो समझ में आएगा ना. लुक बेटा, 2 minutes and 12 seconds एक राउंड लगाने के लिए लगते हैं, तो 60 राउंड लगाने के लिए we have no need to multiply or divide. We can simply say 2 hours and 12 minutes, क्योंकि 60 राउंड दिया है ऑलरेडी, तो 60 हमारे टाइम वेस्ट क्वेश्चन के बेस में लेते हैं, राइट. 60 means 2 minutes, 60 seconds means 2 minutes, right? तो 2 hours and 12 minutes कैसे आएगा? 2 minutes multiplied by 12 seconds multiplied by 1 and upon which term is 60, क्योंकि 60 seconds का 60 राउंड उसको लगाने हैं. तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करेंगे? 2 minutes को सेकेंड्स में डिवाइड करने के लिए अगेन विल नीड टू पुट 60 in the base. 2 minutes multiplied by 12 seconds multiplied by 60 rounds divided by 60 seconds. So answer आएगा आपका 2 hours and 12 minutes.
Yes मैम, समझ गया.
दीक्षिता, आप हर सेकंड में अपना माइक्रोफोन क्यों अनम्यूट करते रहते हो बच्चा? So 2 hours and 12 minutes is the correct answer. एक राउंड लगाने में 2 minutes और 12 सेकेंड लगते हैं, तो ऐसे ही 60 राउंड लगाने के लिए उसको 2 hours and 12 minutes लगेंगे. Now number 6. A woman has 10 meter of clothes on a single roll. 10 meter clothes का एक सिंगल रोल है, and now she wants to divide it into 10 equal lengths of 1 meter each. 1 मीटर के 10 टुकड़े करने हैं, राइट. 10 मीटर क्लोथ के 1 मीटर के 10 पीसेस बनाने हैं. तो एक पीस कट करने में उसको सेकंड लगते हैं, तो 10 पीसेस कट करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा बच्चा? If cutting of one is
1 hour and
10 seconds, so
1 minute and 30 seconds.
1 minute and 30 seconds और 90 seconds, right? क्या करना रहेगा बेटा? ही टाइम कैलकुलेट करना है हमें. 10 पीसेस में एक पीस तो ऑलरेडी वहां पर हो ही जाएगा. जैसे आप करते हो 10 मीटर क्लोथ को, तो जैसे आप पीस कट करते हो एक पीस तो ऑलरेडी हुआ पड़ा रहता ही है, तो आपको सिर्फ 9 पीस ऑफ क्लोथ के लिए ही कटिंग टाइम कैलकुलेट करना है, राइट. तो 10 into 9 is equal to 90 seconds और 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute or 30 seconds and 90 seconds. In both ways, you can write down the answer. Number 7. I am a 4-digit number. All my digits are same. चारों के चारों डिजिट सेम है एंड आई एम ग्रेटर देन 2300 एंड लेस देन 6000. सो हु एम आई? ऐसा नंबर जिसके चारों डिजिट सेम. Yes, the correct answer is 4444. चारों डिजिट सेम हो गए, 2300 से ज्यादा भी है और 6000 से कम है. राइट? यू कैन ट्राई अदर नंबर ऑल्सो. 5555 पॉसिबल है?
नो मैम.
क्यों पॉसिबल नहीं है? 5555 पॉसिबल नहीं है? वो भी तो ग्रेटर हुआ ना, और 6000 से लेस की है.
हाँ है.
है ना? तो दोनों नंबर में से कोई भी नंबर आप आंसर में लिख सकते हो. दोनों आंसर्स आपके करेक्ट ही होंगे बच्चा, बिकॉज दोज टू नंबर्स आर लाइक दैट कि जिनके चारों डिजिट सेम भी है, 2300 से ज्यादा भी है और 6000 से कम भी है. 4444 एंड 5555. बोथ आंसर्स आर करेक्ट.
मैथ्स નું હારે હોમવર્ક કરી લીધું ને ડીસી તકવે એમએમ હોમવર્ક આપ્યું છે એ કરું. રાઇટિંગ હોમવર્ક તો એ કરું.
Seriously. Number 8 is just like number 4 that we have solved. A man has 5 sons and each son has 1 sister. In all, how many children does the man have?
6 children.
Number of children? 6. हर सन की एक सिस्टर है, डजंट मीन कि हर एक की अलग अलग सिस्टर है. 1 sister is there for all brothers. So 5 plus 1, 6 children in all. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. Any doubts or queries?
No, ma'am. No query.
From both the page, beta. All of you please reply if any doubts and queries are there.
No, ma'am. No doubt. No query.
Okay. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much all. See you next week. Take care and stay safe.